Hello, this is Houston Bennett with our Java 2 Fundamentals Walkthrough video Part 2. In this project, we were all given 4 different things to change in our previous week's project, 2 functional changes and 2 cosmetic changes. For mine, we'll start with the cosmetic changes because those are kind of the ones that are most obvious. I was to swap the positioning of the master and detail fragments. As you can see, the master now is on the right hand side, and where the list will show or should show up is here on the left. And I was to change the color scheme of the app using the theme from Android Asset Studio's Holo Colors generator. And as you can see here, I got this lovely purple color, which, since that kind of wraps up the cosmetic changes, we'll move on into the more functional stuff. I was to create a helper class that handles all of the network and storage operations. Um, this one, the basic idea was pretty straightforward. Excuse me. We're just moving a lot of that code into another class. The big difference is how to move the data in and out, and that's done with the delegates through the main activity. And this actually helped to solve an issue, or at least one part of an issue that I was having in the previous video. Before, I was not able to actually reach out and grab the data, and this time it's actually working. So in moving things around, I think I cleaned things up a little bit, got a better flow of where everything was moving. So all of that, it does actually go out and get it, but I still am running into a problem with the file I/O stuff. Somewhere in here, I'm looking at the wrong folder or wrong file somewhere, because it can't actually, it says it's not there. So, and I still haven't quite figured that out, but we can go back through here and we can see that it is actually getting the data from the API, the cheese here. It gets the first 10 that it finds, and this is the JSON string, so that's actually, it's getting the right data. I'm just having a problem with the I/O part. So everything actually turned out pretty well with this. No major hangups, except when I tried to implement the theme. I had copied everything over, and for whatever reason I couldn't figure out why it wasn't loading at first. And because I assumed that it was just overlaying all of the regular default theme files, but I was wrong. I actually had to change it in the Android manifest to look at the proper theme that I had actually downloaded. So that worked out okay in the end, and I feel really good about this one actually having got everything together and working at least better than where I left off last week. So thank you very much. Goodbye.